Hi class, this is Latasha Woods, and I've decided to do my fact pattern scenario in the jurisdiction of Florida. And this is our jurisdiction mini lesson, and I'm actually doing my scenario on a married couple, Richard and Sarah Wilson, who were married for 12 years and they have a 10-year-old son named Sean. The couple decided to divorce after infidelity. I did not specify who cheated on whom, but overall, Mr. Wilson is wanting full custody of their 10-year-old son. The couple has been living in Santa Rosa County, Florida for the last 4 years. And basically, my search took me to the Florida courts, which would be www.floridacourts.org, and that's flcourts.org. And the first thing I did was I chose in the jurisdiction chart. All right. And this is the jurisdiction chart for the state of Florida. And from reading our book on page 19, it's pretty much saying that my scenario is a family court case. And according to the definition for family court, it's a court of limited jurisdiction that hears cases such as divorce, custody, and child support. So I do know that this is a family court case. And for my scenario, we will start our trial in the circuit courts, which is here is highlighted in yellow. Okay. So I do know that I will make my start with the circuit courts. And I decided to pretty much try to find the location of where we're going to file this case, the trial courts by county. And what was specified in my scenario is that this couple lived in the county of Santa Rosa. So I clicked on this link, County Circuit Cross-Reference, and I actually scrolled down. And as you can see, each county is divided by the circuit division, from the first circuit all the way down to the 20th. And I specified that this couple lived in Santa Rosa. So this would be the first circuit. And what I did, okay, the court location is divided by the county. And so, as I've already mentioned, Santa Rosa County is the county. And I clicked on court location, and this is where we're going to file our claim. It will be located at the Santa Rosa County Courthouse at 6865 Carolina Street, Milton, Florida 32570. All right. Now, if there was a situation where there was an appeal, we will go back to, let's see, I will go back to my beginning, where I will go to the District Courts of Appeal. And again, the District Courts of Appeal is also divided by the county that the person lives in. And in my situation, this was the first district court. So all the first district court of appeal will be filed either the first, second, third, fourth, eighth, and 14th circuit courts. Okay, so they will take either one of these. I guess what I'm looking at, the first district court of appeals, they will file any case. They will file any appeals that are in the first, second, third, fourth, eighth, and 14 courts or circuits. And this is where we will actually file our appeal at 2000 Drayton Drive, Tallahassee, Florida, 32399-0950. And I did go on Westlaw and I looked up the statutes for the appeal process. An appeal from an order of court affecting a party to a case involving a child under this chapter may be taken to the appropriate district court of appeal within the time and the manner prescribed. All right. That's pretty much it. Okay.